they ran, her grandfather was hit on the head by something and he fell down. Her father rushed to help him. Then came the first giant wave that swept both of them away. While rushing to the safer place, her grandfather was hit by his head by something and he fell down. Her father rushed to help him. When his father went to help him, the giant wave came inside and it swept both of them away. Alma's mother and aunts stood clinging to the leaves of a coconut tree, calling out to her. A wave uprooted the tree and they too were washed away. Alma saw a long log of wood floating. She climbed onto it, then she fainted. When he woke up, she was in a hospital in Kamorta. From there, she was brought to Port Blair. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is still traumatized. That means his father, his grandfather, both were washed away or both swept away in the water, and her mother and aunt, who were standing clinging to the leaves of a coconut tree, they were also swept away by the huge wave which uprooted the tree. Then Alma saw a log of wood floating towards. She climbed onto the log and fainted. When she woke up or when she relieved, she was in a hospital in Kamorta. From there, she was brought to Port Blair. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident. Means after that incident, she didn't want to discuss anything about the incident. She is still traumatized. Means she was still in shock about the incident, that she didn't want to discuss anything about the incident to anybody. Now look at the comprehension check of this scene 1. Say whether the following are true or false. Ignatius lost his wife, 2 children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. Here the statement is true because Ignatius lost his wife, his 2 children, his father-in-law and brother-in-law which in the tsunami, which washed or swept away all of the members. Number 2, Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. No, it's false because while going to save the cook's wife, he was swept away. Number 3, Meghna was saved by a relief helicopter. No, exactly. Meghna was not visible or not seen by the relief helicopters. Now, number 4, Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. Yes, it's true. Her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that they were holding on to. Yes, it's also true because to save themselves they caught hold the coconut tree, but the huge wave was uprooted the tree and swept both the ladies. So here we are concluding our scene 1. In the next video we will start with the scene 2 and its comprehension check.